Just needed this. How is everybody out there? Hope today has been a swell day for you guys. Let me just finish setting everything up on my back end. But with that being said, let's jump right into it, people. How are you guys out there? Hope all is well. All is fine in the land. See what's going on to make sure that I'm actually live everywhere. Because yesterday my stream got cut short. And for the life of me, I'm not understanding why. Is everybody out there? Is everybody out there? This internet is horrible. It is really doing damage to my content. And I really need to invest in updating this shit. T-Mobile need to get somebody out here to come and see what's going on. Say my upload speed is 100 and something. Well, not my upload, but my download speed. Let's see what the upload speed look like. Upload speed slow as shit. Testing the bandwidth right now, guys. Hold on. It's horrible. All right. So today I took one trade. I was busy at work. Let's get this trade underway. It's with the company CWD. Let's take it during pre-market. About 6:45. Caliber COS, whatever COS stands for them. Okay. So CWD Caliber Costs Incorporated. So the news on Caliber was that they're going to adopt this new digital asset strategy. You see a lot of companies out here jumping into the industry of purchasing cryptocurrency as a business model now, similar to MicroStrategy. This company, they were buying a token called Link, LIN. I do apologize for the delay response to my internet tonight. What's really throwing me off with you guys is that I'm looking at the stream and I'm still covering everything. So it's making me feel as if the damn live hasn't caught up. But it's because I haven't minimized myself over the actual background. I do apologize. It's really throwing me off. My God, that's embarrassing. Not really. But even still, let's see how long it takes for it to update over here. Where I can see myself in the smaller box. That'll tell me everything, how quick it gets to that point. So yeah, that was really throwing me off. So I actually got to show you guys the video again. Do apologize. But for my people on Instagram, you actually saw everything because the way I had set up, it's vertical, so you're already going to see everything. But everywhere, one elsewhere, let's show another recap all over again. I do apologize for the redundancy. Okay, So this is what I was showing you guys. CWD. This is about 6:45 when I placed this trade. This green level here is the market structure I mentioned, where price previously touched in like July, August, May as well of this year. I'll show that when I open the chart up. That became my resistance level, as well as it actually ended up being the pre-market high as price actually went up and tested those levels and rejected off of it. I set up this uptrend just to see how long this momentum would last in this quick parabolic move. Then it broke down. It attempted to come back to this uptrend. And at that point, when I saw that they were trying to make another move to that actual high, and they tried to make another move, and I got in right here and rode it up this 715 and got out at this 303 and it sold off so fast, had to get out as quick. And it sold off so fast, had to get out as quick as possible, as quick as possible. And this is another reason why I don't like trading during pre-market. And this is another reason why I don't like trading during pre-market sessions. That's what this orange area is. That's what this orange area is. This is in between the time of 3 a.m. to 8:29 a.m. Time of 3 a.m. to 8:29 a.m. Central Standard Time. So when those levels were not breached, basically it was worth sitting to the side, because we see the MACD is green, but as the market to the side, because we see the MACD is green, but as the market opened, we see it actually starts going light green. So the bears taking over, as well as you can see underneath here the volume is increasing and starting to decrease, but this is for the sell side. These are red underneath here. So it's letting you know that much volume has actually been placed behind trying to force this market down. What I was saying earlier is that I look for stocks with a sheer float of less than 20 million. So this company had 1.65 million shares available. They sold really 182 times today. With that being said, sheer float size and volume is basically what we want to pay attention to. When it comes to just, I'm going to keep coming up with this analogy. When we think of a balloon, when somebody squeezes a balloon and it expands before it bursts, that pressure is the amount of shares purchased and sold. So that would be the 182 million hands squeezing a balloon that's only the size of a million. So think of that, from this small little package, and it squoze with 182 what we call it, feet per second, feet per second, feet per pounds per foot. But with that much pressure, this is what you think of when you think of a balloon expanding and bursting. That's what happens with price. Price will be the balloon. When it's squeezed that hard by the amount of individuals, you'll see it erupt, and go parabolic. And this is what you observe. Goes up 162% in a day. So that's 162% in a day. So that's why volume is important. You can look at where volume is important. You can look at where average volume is from a company. In this case, they got it for the